Let us understand the step-by-step process of using Machinery Item Master and Activity in StrategicERP. Navigate to the Machinery Item Master form under the Plant and Machinery module. Select the resource type and item group. Select the item description and unit based on the item group. Enter the master estimated rate. Check the critical resource checkbox, if applicable. Select the HSN code and enter the tax rate. Enter the tolerance limit percentage, if applicable. Click on Save and the entry will be saved successfully. The process of using Machinery Item Master is complete. Now, let's navigate to Machinery Activity form to understand its use. In Machinery Activity form, select the project name and subproject name. Select the activity ID and activity name. Select the asset ID to track asset activity against the selected ID. Select the total quantity and unit. Select the maintenance type as regular or accidental. You can update resource details under the Resources Estimation tab. Click on Save and the entry will be saved successfully. The process of using Machinery Activity is now complete.